Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is time for Counterfeit Kit Challenge Blog Reveal Day here. Let me show you let me show you first the inspiration kit. So it's my creative scrapbook, October 2022, limited edition. And it's based off of a lot of it's like the 49 and Market. Well, shoot, where's the name of it, y'all? Well, now I feel bad. I don't know. It's a 49 and Market kit. Or collection rather, and it's this gorgeous like teal coral green. It's just a very vibrant collection. I honestly love this collection, and I don't know that I ever had it. Now I'm kind of going maybe I'll go looking for it. Anyways, it has all these like coral, teal, there's like florals all in here, of course. Now they have little coat hangers. I didn't go looking for that, but there's like there's butterflies. You can see tickets, you know, there's some wordy bits in here, all in the places here. Here's like a close-up of the ephemera pack here, but you can see again wordy bits, the green, the teal, the coral, kind of that pinky, like a real deep pinky coral. You can see kind of these are the papers, again going into this coral with this deep kind of reddish kind of pinky color, turquoise, teal, or whatever. There's a neutral here. Again, you're kind of seeing the coral. There's a stencil. They used an Echo Park stencil here. And look at this, y'all. This is just such beautiful papers. Kind of a softer color here. So that's the collection. You can kind of get a sense of what's included. The laser cuts are always great. You know, this is just beautiful stuff, y'all. So that's the collection. So what I did is I got into my stuff, of course. And y'all, I've got a little bit crazy this time. I first pulled out, well, I don't know what I first pulled out. I pulled out some stuff. And I actually had my sister helping me, y'all. I like to have people help me because sometimes, you know, you kind of like, when you're going and getting your stash, sometimes you always go to like your go-to spots or whatever. And sometimes I'll rope my daughter or my sister or even my husband in and say, hey, try to find me something that looks like this. And they pull stuff out I would probably never even think about. And she found this really old Bow Bunny collection. It's from 2012 called Ambrosia. Now, granted, there's purple here, so that's not exactly in the inspiration. But I do still have these florals, this teal, there's some coral in here. So I think I can make this work. There's also some fibers. So there's like some little ribbons and fibers and things. And then there's these florals here. Again, not the purple so much, but the others would be fine. And then there's a little lace here. I don't know what this is. Some kind of bauble. I think it goes on this. Yeah, it goes on that. So I think you're supposed to put like a piece of paper or a photo or something in there. And from a paper standpoint, there's this green, sorry y'all, a green polka dot with like the floral stuff here. There's a green here, but look at the little butterflies, y'all. And then there's all these little pieces here, which could be fussy cut. I could cut out these little flower or butterflies rather, any of that kind of stuff. And again, I probably try to stay away from the purple because that's not in the collection, but by the same token, it's in this one. So why not? There's this gorgeous, like vibrant florals, which is kind of along the lines of the 49 Market. And then this little teal here. So I thought that was actually a really good selection when she found that. Then I also had, sorry, I'm not trying to make tons of noise, y'all. I also had some of this Creative Imagination stuff. Don't remember when I got it, no idea. I don't even know if this is the same. I think this is just some papery stuff I thought I could use. But look at this. It's Christine Adolph. And look at this. It's got these little these florals is what attracted me. These little florals here. Again, it's kind of got that purple, so I could probably use it with that Bow Bunny. Even though that's not really in our inspiration, it still kind of works, I think. Here's some tickets and a floral that fell off my thing over here. And then this was the papers that came with that Creative Imagination. It's a little different, y'all. Look at these little elephants. And then this like here. So I'm just imagining, you know, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But there's that teal in there. So I think this is neat. And then here's a floral with, again, it's got the purple, so we're just going to print, it's part of the collection. But it's got the teals and the greens, so I thought that was really pretty. And then I got into, Anna at Peace Craft Love had sent these a while back. It's called Heartland. I'd never heard of that company before. Actually, I'm sorry, Blue Fern Studios. And maybe the name of the collection was Heartland, possibly. But it's got also this, it's got florals with this heart shape, which is a little different than what was in the collection, but thought that was pretty. Then there's kind of that neutral color that was shown. And again, I'm going with these florals, right? And then kind of the pinky peachies. This is that deep pink. Some options here. These just kind of went together, which is why I pulled them out. florals again. There's that blue. Y'all, I'm kind of excited. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm never going to use all these papers, I don't think, but I think they're beautiful, and I want to pull them out and use them. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I have a feeling I might try to do something I don't usually do, which is maybe cut around inside these for something like that. Again, that neutral there. This is really pretty. Look at this, y'all. There's that blue. This is pretty. Look at that. All you need is love. Isn't that gorgeous? There's that pink there. More florals. Look at that, little doves. Look at the little doves. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? So there's those. Then I also had a pre-made, so I had gone to a convention this year, and they always have like a little, what is it called, a workshop or something on Thursday nights, and they'll give you like a bunch of stuff to do. And this was a little 2-pager that they helped us put together. So that colors kind of went, and I thought maybe I could use some of this stuff with it. And then I also had this Simple Stories Harvest Market. Again, kind of got the same kind of color schemes. I mean, I'm going to be able to cross over these, I think. So I pulled these out because also there's this color, you know, the teals, and again, the oranges and things like that, the pinks and stuff. So I'm thinking, okay. And then if I don't have enough paper, which I'm pretty certain I have entirely too much, I went ahead and pulled out Where To Next with Vicki Boutin because, again, I'm seeing the teal, you know, some of the pinks. There's like, you know, some little pieces in here that could be used. I will not probably use this whole collection, but I thought to myself, having these available to me would be good. So, and also there's like wordy bits and stuff. So that's kind of, that's on the back burner. I don't know for sure I'm going to use any of this because I do love this collection as a whole and I have plenty to choose from over here. I also pulled out this stencil here. It's not the same, obviously, as the Echo Park one they showed, but it has like these little pretty, this stuff here, and I thought that could be neat. This actually came with that Bo Bunny collection, so I must have dropped it out. And then my sister got over into my flowers, and she found these little petaloos. This color kind of went with the collection, so I don't know. This was, I think, that got stuck. Anyways, so that's what I'm starting with. I am certain I'm going to pulling from stash because that always happens. I usually, like I said, I don't really have any titles per se other than the Vicki Boutin stuff. And maybe some of the Bo Bunny over there, but I'll have to maybe possibly pull stuff out of my thickers. And I didn't obviously pull any inks or anything at this point. I tend to kind of, I tend to build a base kit and then fly by the seat of my pants just a little bit when it comes to the accessories. I don't know that that breaks the rules or not. I don't think it does. As long as I stay with my kit, I don't know. I'm told there's not really too many rules other than use your stash. Anyways, that is my kit that I'm starting with. So keep an eye out for the videos. I usually do challenge 2, which is on the 18th. But I will usually kind of drop in some other layouts too. So just kind of keep your eye. Definitely check the blog out. I'll have a link down below for that. And check out my Instagram. I'll show pictures of the kit as well. We'll talk soon. Bye.